Now, the Jamaica Tallawahs suffered consecutive losses in this year's Caribbean Premier League. They went down to a shocking 14-run loss to the Guyana Amazon Warriors, and this game was played at the Brian Lara Stadium in Trinidad on Saturday. The Tallawahs inserted the Amazon Warriors and watched as the record O'Shane Thomas was smashed for 24 runs in the second over of the innings by compatriot Brandon King. King and Shandapol Hemraj were finding the boundaries at will until Mujibur Rahman halted proceedings at 56 in the sixth over, dismissing King for a top score of 29. Leading run scorer Shimran Hetmire joined King in a jiffy out the very next ball. The Tallawahs then had wickets at regular intervals to see the Amazon Warriors slide to 89 for 6 inside 14 overs. Carlos Brathwaite and Sandeep Lamachani ensured that last season's beaten finalists were strangled towards the end and to be bundled out for what seemed a meager 118 in 19.1 overs. Hemraj and Ross Taylor each made 21 and saw extras as the next best score with 16. The Tallawahs losing wickets in a cluster has been their Achilles heel so far in the tournament, and Chadwick Walton went for a duck the very first ball of the innings. He now has only 2 runs in 3 matches. And Nkrumah Bonner was brought in for Nicholas Curtin, but his stay lasted 7 balls for 4. The ever-reliant Glenn Phillips did not trouble the scorers as the Tallawahs boat was rocking at 4 for 3 in 4 overs. Asif Ali and Captain Rovman Powell tried to resurrect the innings, but Ali held out for 14. Carlos Brathwaite came and departed with a wild slog which brought in the 2-time champions' last hope, Andre Russell. A Herculean effort was needed from Russell, who is nicknamed Superman, but he lost his captain for 23 at 50 for 6 in the 14th over. Even as Russell belted 4 fours and 5 sixes in his 37-ball 52, the run rate was too demanding and saw the Amazon Warriors creating history by defending the lowest target in CPL history. Chris Green took 2 for 10 for the Amazon Warriors. In the 120 legal deliveries, the Tallawahs faced 80 dot balls, and Captain Rovman Powell was bitterly disappointed the team could not cross the line.
Yeah, I'm very, very disappointed. I think 120 we should have get that easy, but such is the nature of the game.
And if you can sum up the conditions, the bowlers did really well, spin bowlers came into play. Was it a 120 sort of surface?
To be honest, I think it was a little bit more. You know, both teams just batted poorly. You know, if we're gonna be honest with ourselves, you know, I think the batting just need to improve. Andre Russell come into form, score a nice 50. Also the bowling department and the fielding department. We asked them to improve 20-30%, and I think they did just that today. It's just the batters need to come to the party now.
The 2-time champions and the Amazon Warriors will square off again on Tuesday.